What's going on, guys? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to show what YouTube video you are watching on Discord. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what I mean by this is if I come across and go into my Discord, and what will happen is on my sort of profile thing up here, when I click this, I can actually set this to show what I'm watching. I've actually got this linked to my Xbox at the moment, so you can see currently it says I'm playing a game on there. But once I've set this up for YouTube, you'll see that will change. So to do this, it's actually quite simple, and you can do this on a number of browsers. In today's example, I'll be using Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do is open up my browser and come across to google.com. And then what you want to do is just type in Premid, which is like an app that you can download to show people what you're watching. So you just want to come across to the website and then click onto Downloads. And then you can see it's got 3 steps. So what you need to do first is download Premid, install the application, and then simply add the extension to your browser. So it's fairly simple to set up. So what we're going to do is download the application first. So what you want to do is at the top here, you want to choose your operating system. So in my case, it's going to be Windows. And if it does come up with a screen like this with all these ads, all you need to do is click skip, which is up here in the top right hand corner. Obviously they just display the ads, that's how they support the site, and you can see that's downloaded the installer. So what you want to do is give that a click and run the setup wizard. So we're going to go ahead and click run, and then we're just going to run through the steps. So we're just going to click next, accept the agreement and click next. And then you can see that's just downloading and installing the application. It's not too big, so it should only take about half a minute, something like that, depending on your internet speed. So you can see that's all done now, and what you're going to get is a couple of options. So you can launch the app, create a desktop icon. So just tick these if you want that. And what we're then going to do is click next. And then we're going to click here where it says allow access for the just to allow that to go through the firewall, Windows Defender. And then what we're going to do is come back to the downloads page of Premid, and if you scroll down, what you want to do is you've got a couple of options. So you've got Chrome, Firefox or Safari. So what you now need to do is install the extension for your preferred web browser. So mine's going to be Google Chrome, and again it's probably going to come up with a page like this with ads on. And again, there should be a skip button. If you've got this ad at the top covering it, if you look to the left, there should be a little arrow like this. And if you click that arrow, that's just going to move the ad out of the way. And you'll see the skip button is there in the top right hand corner. So just go ahead and give that a click. And this is going to take you to the extension. And all you want to do is click the blue Add to Chrome button or Add to Firefox or Safari. It depends what browser you're using. And then click Add Extension. And that's just going to take a second or two to add to your browser. So you can see we've got a confirmation and a thank you page. So that's all set up, ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is actually just show you how to do this. So I'm going to bring this window down a bit. I'm just going to put that like here. And then what I'm going to do is bring up my Discord app. Again, we're just going to squeeze this down a bit. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is come to the extensions button, which is this little thing that looks like a piece of a jigsaw puzzle. And what you can do is just pin this to the taskbar thing at the top. So you just want to go ahead and click this little pin next to Premid. You'll see it's going to pop up there. And once you've actually clicked onto this, you can see there's a number of applications, but we don't need to use any of those because it's just YouTube we're going to be doing in this example. So all you want to do is go through all of these and deselect them. Obviously leave YouTube selected still. And you'll see that's now set up ready to go. So what's going to happen, you can see at the moment if I go onto my profile, we've still got the Xbox game coming up. But if I go onto my profile and I play one of my videos, say this one. So say this one for example. And as you can see, that's now changed now, and it says playing YouTube. And if I actually click onto that, you can see it comes up with the information. So it says which video I'm watching, how much of the video is left, and also there's a button there which I can click to watch the same video or view the channel if I want to. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.